It is unofficial because Krobia Sante Kotoko emme confirmed, but the news is that former Kumasi Sante Kotoko captain Amos Frimpong, yes, Amos Frimpong, and I'm penny for a Kumasi Sante Kotoko youth team manager position, So the news is that Kumasi Sante Kotoko ebe appointed former captain friend Amos Frimpong not yet day. Kumasi Sante Kotoko youth team na ayate omode team manager of team manager of that youth team. Amano initially I no pay me sorry menya course kakra for say Amos Frimpong Kotoko appointing as the youth team coach and tisa no and tisa kra because Kotoko currently youth side no ewo coaches wo ho yes nti no emunchemu kakra party tirintia me blog this particular news no anopay social media and course WhatsApp so and Kotoko already have assistant youth coaches na then no masa appointed former captains ombeye the youth coach of this side I building the front. But the news is that entisa the news actual news are unofficial as we speak because unofficial that is Kotoko confirm but it is in Komodia akoso behind the scenes it is awaiting just official communications Kotoko de beba say Amos Frimpong omode team manager of the youth team no amano yes and only information circulate me the way I see team information baby I me free I trust the source say in about few days time confirmation beba from Kumasi Sante Kotoko Amos Frimpong omode adwuma na mano say the team manager of the Kotoko youth team obeka say Kotoko main team na ankasa the oye team manager no eyo hini brenya ono so a former player of Kotoko na ono kra wa captain Kotoko pen and ono so osefra hemfie Amos ohini brenya ye kan wasema currently Kotoko main team no team manager no ofra hemfie yes oko akwaside ni bi because oye royal obeba oba adwuma be chance on his part na youth team no team manager omo appoint no player of that screen is according to a deep truth source I'm in Saka. Me bompa say bebem sa because Amos have some Kotoko. Amos oka the representative of a hard-working player or Amos Frimpong. Yes. Or me what hard-working player is. Kotoko currently youth team or more coaches there was an Asari Abegi any Imori Ibrahim or the main coaches. But Amos Eko on board as the team manager. Sana nhyehyɛ ne nkomodie no eko bibia